माय नेम इज तनिष्का।
माय नेम इज समिति। वेलकम टू टैंगो किड्स।
आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 4 के बच्चों के लिए लाए हैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग पोएट्री जिसका नाम है रेनिंग द नाइट। और रेनिंग रेनिंग ऑल नाइट लॉन्ग, रेनिंग रेनिंग ऑल नाइट लॉन्ग, समटाइम लाउड समटाइम सॉफ्ट, just like song, just like song, just like song, just like. There will be river in the gutter, there will be river in the gutter, and lakes along the street, and lakes along the street. Our lazy kitty washes little dirty feet, washes little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds, the roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at the court, the kings and queens at the feast. But the pansies all get muddy, but the pansies all get muddy, because they are so short, because they are so short. I will sell my boat tomorrow, I will sell my boat tomorrow, in wonderful new places, in wonderful new places. First I'll take my watering pot, but first I'll take my watering pot, and wash the pencils' face, and wash the pencils' faces, and wash the pencils' faces. Raining, raining all night long, raining, raining all night long, raining, raining all night long. Sometimes soft, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like song, just like song, just like song, just like song. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go and subscribe our video.
Bye.